Oya, everybody, kneel down. Why now? Wetin dey happen?
We lose match now. Wetin you expect?
Wait I no understand. We no dey allowed to lose match.
It depends on the kind losing. If we lose 1-0 to Man City or 2-1 to Liverpool, no problem. But to lose 4-0 to Indomie Boys, for Kochi, this one na immortal sin.
Which one can be immortal sin?
Sin wey you no fit forget or forgive.
Omo, I no sign up for this kind thing no.
You dey lucky say Guardiola never coach you before. By now we suppose don dey in the middle of Pacific Ocean. Dey try walk on top water.
Like blood,
My brother, na so we see am o. Na one of the reasons I run comot.
But wait, nobody fit do am na.
The guy no wan know. The point na to give us near-death experience so that we go dey fear to lose game. One day I almost die when I dey do punishment. Man no war and squeeze dey usually full inside the water, and the squeeze dey normally carry us play squid games. But on this fateful day, as it reach my turn to walk on top water, as usual, I enter water expecting to drown or escape life or death squid game. But I no drown. I waka 4 steps, I no drown. Even Kochi surprised. As I dey hail myself, na the brain dey tell me say something dey wrong with the water. As I look down, I see something wey resemble hammer. Before I talk Jack Robinson, this fish don chop my leg, start dey descend. My life flash before my eyes. I see angels and demons, vampires and werewolves, even ghosts wey dey locked up. Luckily for me, na my boot wey the useless shark chop. I struggle comot my leg. The guy carry my boot.
Abeg, when this one happen?
Last season wey Crystal Palace win us 2-0 for home, I no fit forget.
God forbid.
Oh boy, na life or death for that side o. Win game or die trying.
Abeg, I no dey need this nonsense punishment.
Who say make you stand up?
Wetin this one dey do? Kochi, I wan go AC Milan. I don die today here.
As far as say you dey wear jersey, you must follow your mates kneel down.
Kochi, if not you pull my shirt, I go pull am o.
Okay, just wait for me.
Kochi, no touch me with that thing.
Your father!
But Kochi, na only Preseason we lose na.
Only Preseason? Now move boys like you don't underestimate the significance of winning matches. You dey wait until the Champions League final before you play better ball? Idiot! Man, they have fun now. Why you carry me come this club? Man, you for better oh.
It's like you don't know wetin they talk. They don't check you trident before.
You say wetin?